All right, just built my bookshelf, and I'm not using it for books. I'm using it for display. And I'm into 3D printing a lot, so I want people to see my displays when they come in, my dioramas and so forth. So this thing is about over 6 feet tall. I am going to cable manage it right now. I'm going to pass through the cables in the bottom. But look at this beautiful setup I have. Pretty much all my characters, my dioramas. You guys can see that. Pretty much anything you could set these up. It doesn't have to be books. It could be picture frames. It could be pretty much anything. This whole thing took me about half an hour to put together, assemble it. It came with the tools. It was well numbered. In fact, I still have some of the numbers here. And it'll last me for a long time. Now, one thing I haven't done yet, because I'm going to do cable management, stabilizing this against the wall. So right now I'm going to draw it in and put it in there and screw it against it so it won't lean forward. And this is nice and slim. It fits pretty much anywhere. You guys can see the entrance here I have. It's not much of a gap in here, which is perfect. I like it. The shelves, if you don't like them, you could adjust some of them. If you guys can see that, you can move them different dimensions. If you have larger frames or larger figures that you want to set up, you can move them around. If you notice, this is the largest one in the middle because I wanted to display a lot more things in there. So right now at the moment, I am going to do cable management. But overall, this thing took me a matter of minutes. And they do have in different colors. Let me count the tiers. 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, the top one. All right. So from the top, bottom, look at that. Perfect. Like I said, adjustable. Different colors. My wife assembled this real simple. It took her, like I said, a matter of minutes to put together. And now it is to mount to the wall, wherever you're going to put a placement, permanent, and call it a day. So if you guys are looking for nice furniture like this, nice colors to match your furniture, take a look at this. It doesn't have to be so the same thing I'm doing, but it could be for your picture frames, books, magazines, your collectibles, and so forth. So hope you guys enjoy the video.